introduce yourself?
I'm Caitlin.
Well, yeah, and today we are practicing for Cali Camp. It's a secret. We won't tell you what. Oh, it's okay. They probably didn't see. Yeah. But I'm playing the ukulele, and we're both singing, and it's a surprise.
Yep.
Yep. And we're practicing. We've been practicing for like the last couple hours. Took us a long time to decide. It's a very good song. Yep. It's classic. Yep. Bye. Bye. Oh. What was that, Caitlin?
Guys at the WA.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Want to introduce yourself? Huh? Introduce yourself.
Oh, hi. I'm Snow Cone. I've been at Cali for 4 years. Oh wait, you really don't care.
Okay, no.
Oh, you really.
Introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Hunter. I'm a girl, not a boy. I'm not. I think I'm a girl. Hey. Hey.
You got a good bod, Nick. Okay. How many months are you pregnant?
About 4.
Hey, Nick.
Hi.
Hey, Caitlin.
She's like her weather woman. This W.
Oh my God, there's a crab right there. Oh, no, don't go away, please. Don't go away.
Go grab it. I don't even see it.
It's right there.
Where?
Hi, crab.
Catchy crab?
Hi, crabby. What's up, crabby? Oh my God, no. Even
Circus Soleil. Circus Soleil.
This lady, she's enjoying her day, chilling, she's got a cast on.
We are currently sitting in traffic. This is just great.
I brushed my teeth.
I'm so tired.
Are you vlogging, Josh?
Yeah.
This is a 30-minute drive. We've been driving for an hour and a half. So, 40 minutes left. Bro.
I'm so tired.
Someone just spit water all over me.
It landed on me. Can you stop? I'm literally about to cry. Like, I just want to be home.
I'm sun-kissed.
I'm gonna need gas.
Look at this guy.
My face is sun-kissed.
Anybody got some pennies?
Yes.
Girl, I need a penny. Shoot. Like,
This is spare pennies.
girl, this is like Old Town Scottsdale. Look at this.
Me and Temecula.
This is stupid.
50 minutes in, taking a stop sign. Stop sign, gotta stop. And quick stop 5.
Oh, look at that restaurant. You guys want to eat?
No. I really don't even have
I really need to brush my teeth. I feel so gross.
Hi guys. What are we doing today?
Stunt clinic.
Stunt clinic. Yes.
We are going to be stunting.
Yeah.
Hi. Hyper. How do I flip the camera? Oh, I'll just go in the mirror.
Hungry.
Add me on Snapchat.
It's a cold brew with no water and 3 shots of it.
Wow. Such an order.
Espresso.
Yeah. Oh. And your daughter. And then this is our daughter. We're missing the wife though, Caitlin. What you doing?
Face. What?
Hey.
Hi, baby.
How you doing?
I'm fine. I'm putting on my shoes that I could not find. Yeah, I have crazy socks that have burger and fries because I love In-N-Out so
Things
much.
that you're not supposed to eat during the season?
In-N-Out. We're not supposed to eat that. We don't eat that.
We don't eat that, no.
Who works there?
I think
It's
Oh, that one's fun. I'm loving your leggings. Come on. Yeah. Okay. The stunt clinic was good. Now we're rolling up mats for camp next week. That's KK. Nope. That's KK. That's Brooke. And then what's your name? Introduce yourself. Portia. Yes. Come on. But that was way off. Okay, hi. Okay. Yeah, we're rolling up mats. Hey, Sam.
Sing
Hey.
Hey, Piper.
Hey, Kat. What are we doing?
Oh, you're dying.
You're dying.
We're getting ready for UCLA camp, even though I'm not going.
Introduce yourselves.
I'm Jack Honda.
I'm Hunter.
I'm from South Dakota. South
Where nobody lives.
Where we have Buffalo on the street and I live with
Okay.
no electricity.
All the videos I'm sending you are
And hey, Miles. How you guys doing?
Struggling, we need help.
Struggling? Oh, I'm sorry.
Put the vlog down and help us.